So, kind of like a tour, but enjoy.
There's a chicken without feathers on its neck. That's okay because that's the turkey. It has like no fur on its neck. And it's like really nice, but some of them can be, ow, really mean, like, ow, that one. And like, it's like the newest animal on our farm, and some people call it exotic. It's the first animal.
The first exotic animal in here.
You just look up turkins on like Google or something, and you'll learn more about turkins.
Yep.
Really cool.
Yeah.
And I got these turkins. This one is the one that could jump over this fence. Oh, you can pet him. And he is the one that like is really nice to you. If you like find leaves or something, he'll eat it from you. Like this one. He's following us. A mama goat. She's really nice, and she acts like a dog, and this one acts like a dog. Sometimes they will like go in there and sleep with the pigs. Here comes Penelope right now, getting ready for the video. She's gonna be happy. She might think there's food or something. Penelope, she is the first, well, she's the first baby pig that on our farm. We were keeping her for as long as we can. And so she is 1 or 2 years old. Really nice. She's the only pig that let us pet her. Knew since she was a baby. And it feels really cool petting them. And right by her is Polly. But sometimes this is their home that we made for them. And over there they usually sleep.
And that is the food feeder.
For
Let's go look at it.
a lot of the chickens like it, and goats, and pigs. We are gonna start talking about these turkeys. So this is Tom. Hey Tom. And I know you guys heard, or maybe not, some people might have heard it, but there was a turkey out here, you can see it, heard. That was a boy in there. This is a girl out here. So did you just see that?
Huh.
There's a dragon out here. I don't know why he is out here. This is so easy to do. Crap. No! This is gonna be the longest video. Got it. These turkeys are pretty hard to keep them alive, but they are really nice. She's one of the animals that let us give us eggs and turkey eggs, which that's pretty good.
I know.
And I like eggs. If you guys want to get our eggs, just go to cockadoodle.com.
Don't find mine. So I hope everyone enjoys and go to that website. So the goat will say one more goodbye.